I just got home from work and I need to organize my paperwork. I have my desk in my living room. I organize my papers on this side and this side of the TV stand. I keep my games and movies in the cabinet there. I like having my desk in my living room because it's like its own separate room. Because my living room has a door, I have an older home. When I'm working on paperwork, I can just close that door. I used to have an office, but what I realized was I was keeping unnecessary things in that office. I'm trying to go more minimal when it comes to stationery and office items. I will take you along with me. I think this will take a few hours, but I may have to separate it into a few days. I love this cabinet because I can just store all of my paperwork into here. I haven't been using this as much as I used to. I would really love to update this because I don't even rent anymore. I own a home. That's dinner. Let me show you what I have organized so far. Here are my little piles. In this pile I have notebooks that I'm going to recycle because we no longer use these. The kids bring these back home after the end of the year, after school. So I'm gonna let these go and recycle them. Papers from school that I'm going to recycle as well. I'm going to throw these old folders and binders away. These I'm going to donate. We don't use them. And in this bag, I'm going to burn that. Everything that has my name and address on it, I'm going to burn. I cleaned out this drawer. It had paperwork in it that I went through. I'm going to keep my Pottery Barn catalogs in here for now. In this drawer is paperwork that I want to keep. I still have to go through this and organize that. Everything that's in this basket will be organized and put into these folders.